All right, class, settle in. We've all been there, right? You're in your online class, ready to shine, feeling like the smartest person in the virtual room. Your teacher, Miss Parker, calls on you. Alex, can you solve question 4 for the class? And you're like, absolutely. It's simple. You raise your hand, feeling like a genius, about to drop some serious knowledge. You start explaining, so, first you take the derivative, and suddenly, you're frozen, stuck mid-sentence, hand in the air like a statue. On the other side of the screen, your teacher is looking confused. Alex? Alex? Are you? Oh no. And then, bam! She freezes too, her mouth wide open mid-word. The chat explodes with laughing emojis and skull emojis. You've become a living, breathing meme. The Wi-Fi has officially decided it's nap time, and it's taken you and your teacher hostage in the digital void. You're just stuck in time, a glitch in the matrix of remote learning. This is the moment of pure panic. You start frantically waving your arms, trying to get the signal back. You unplug the router, you slam it back in. You mash every key on your laptop, hoping for a miracle. You might even throw your headset across the room in a moment of sheer desperation. Why now? Why me? I was about to ace this question. You can almost imagine a little Wi-Fi monster hiding in the corner, tangled in cables, just grinning at your suffering. Meanwhile, a little text bubble pops up over your frozen teacher's face. Alexa, help. It's the ultimate showdown. One determined student versus the fickle beast known as home Wi-Fi. But then, a moment of clarity. You take a deep breath, push away from your desk, and calmly grab your phone. One tap, and the mobile hotspot is on. The screen flickers back to life. You and Miss Parker are unfrozen, blinking back into existence. You smoothly finish your sentence as if nothing happened. And that, class, is why I always keep my phone nearby. The chat erupts again, but this time with applause and laughter. So here is the pro tip for all my fellow remote learners. Always have a backup plan. Keep that hotspot ready to go. Or, find your personal Wi-Fi monster and figure out what snacks it likes. You never know when you'll need to bribe it for a stable connection. Thanks for watching, and if you've ever been a victim of the Wi-Fi nap, hit that like and subscribe for more remote learning chaos.